bad, bitch. You can't kill me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey girlies! So today I'm going to be talking about some things that I think need to be left in 2017. We are still in the first week of January, so I feel it is appropriate to put this content out into the universe. Now, before I get started with everything I'm going to say, y'all already know I have a very big opinion on everything. I mean, according to some people, I just love to talk and I love to da-da-da-da. So I'm gonna do what I allegedly do best, and I'm going to talk in this video and tell you guys what I think needs to be deuced out of this year. So nobody get offended, nobody be like, but I really like that. Congratulations. Woo, fireworks. Good for you. Like, if you like it, do you, boo. Do you. Like, if you wanna go ahead and follow half these things that I say should be left behind, it's your life. I'm not judging you. I'm not gonna, I'm not judging you. So these are just the things that I personally believe 2018 can do without. Number one, camo pants. I don't know why I hate camo pants so much. I wore them for the last time. I said, you know what? 2017 is ending. Let me bring these bitches out for one more last run. I brought them out, did a whole yellow and orange outfit, and done. They have been packed up, put in the cases, put in the boxes, put into storage. My camo pants hold a very, very special place in my heart because I wore them every fucking day for like 6 months. I did not, like, I swear I acted as if I didn't have any other clothes. It was as if I only had camo pants and like little crop tops, like bandos to wear with it. I'm sure y'all remember that if you follow me on Snapchat. If you don't, bitch, what? Snapchat at Vanessa Gabriella. I'll put it on the screen right now. Follow me now. I follow a couple people back. I actually like dead ass when I'm bored, I'll just go through like the people who are adding me and I'll add like some of you guys and be like, hey, what are you doing? So if you want to talk on Snapchat and become friends, feel free to add me at Vanessa Gabriella. But I'm sure if you saw me on Snapchat, if you do have me on there, because you're a real one for that, I would not stop wearing camo pants. I was wearing them to the club, I was wearing them to parties, I was wearing them to dinners, to breakfast, I was sleeping in them. I have like 5 pairs of camo pants, various colors, and they will not be coming back out. Get me wrong, like I'm not saying like, oh my gosh, they're so ugly, like throw them away, like they're disgusting. I'm not saying they're ugly. I think they're cute, but I think they're too played out. When I lived in LA, you guys, when I tell you, I was walking through the Fairfax High School trading post that they have every Sunday there. When I tell you that I walked through that, and the amount of people I walked past me in the exact same camo pants, that is officially enough proof that it's played out. Number 2, we need to leave fake pranks out of 2018. I'm sorry, I'm friends with a lot of YouTubers. Well, not a lot, not anymore. But when I was friends with all these fucking fake ass YouTubers, you guys, when I tell you the amount of times I walked in on somebody filming a fake ass prank, I'm not trying to expose nobody, but when I tell you guys, when I tell you that 99.9% of the pranks that you see on YouTube are staged. I mean, yes, it's entertainment. Some people might be like, it's entertainment, it's their job, let them do them. Go ahead, do you. I don't care that much. But when I tell you that all these people, they're fake ass friendships, they're fake ass pranks, they're just annoying. I want something genuine. I want to see somebody really scare their husband, and I want to see a true reaction. I want to see them pranking my spouse, pranking my couple. I want it to be real. Like, you remember those like pranks that people would do on Vine where they'll put like, oil on the floor, they'll put like the plastic stuff, like the plastic wrap on the doorway, so when someone runs in and they go boom, that. Now that is a real prank. That is the stuff I want to see. That is the content I signed up for. I didn't sign up for people saying, or pranking their wife, saying her coochie stinks, or pranking this person, I like you prank. It's all staged, it's fake, it's phony. I'm not with it, it's boring. I've been asked to be involved in so many fake pranks and I'm always like, no. I'm sorry, I'm not doing that, because when you get it, like, I don't tell them this, but in my head I'm just like, I'm not getting exposed along with you when it comes out. Number 3, we need to leave freaking extra ass people like Logan Paul out of 2018. Like, I'm sorry, like, okay, I didn't really have an issue with him before. I always like, okay, I don't have a personal issue with these people because I am not friends with Logan, I'm not friends with Jake, I'm not friends with either of the Paul brothers. But just seeing the kind of content that they're putting out and knowing that they have millions of children watching them, that just makes me personally uncomfortable. I look at my demographic, and whenever I have meetups or whenever I see you guys in public, VidCon, playlist, the mall, whatever, you guys are usually like 16 to like 25 years old. You guys are older. But whenever I, you know, saw Logan Paul or Jake Paul walking around like VidCon and stuff, it was nothing but like 10-year-olds, 11-year-olds running around. People that are kids and minds that are not able to, you know, process what's really going on online. They're just kind of watching it because they're like, oh, this person has a lot of like energy, they're super out there. So I can see why kids are attracted to him. But when you're putting out content like recording dead bodies and watch me lose my virginity and like stuff like that, it's just like, come on, bro. Like, you know the age group of your, you know, followers. And especially since they're gonna get, you know, 2 million, 3 million views on a video no matter what, they're still getting paid. I just don't see the reason behind wanting to even do something like that, because like you're already a millionaire, you don't have to try anymore, like you're doing fine, you signed all these people, you're taking percentage checks from them. So it's like, why are you going through the whole process of doing the most? I would understand if like you're a small YouTuber trying to grow and you're like, oh, I think this is gonna get me somewhere, when in reality it's not. Like, don't disrespect the dead, don't disrespect the living. But I would understand more if it was somebody who was like desperate to grow. But this is somebody who already has a huge platform. The both of them already have huge platforms, and they're both posting nonsense like that. Like, I'm sorry, Paul needs to be left in 2008. They can go ahead and make their own app called the Paul Brothers, and they can post their content on there, and all their fans can go over there. But who's calling me? Now, moving on from that, on to the next. The next one that needs to be left in 2017 is exploitation of friendships. When I tell you guys that, okay, I have different examples of this. One that I can relate to personally, and one that I have seen in the community. So one, when I'm talking about exploiting friendships, I'm talking about people using each other's names, people using people's situations to gain from it, I guess you could say. One example being, there's a couple of vlog groups, I guess you could say, here on YouTube, and I have seen them in public. I've seen them at VidCon, I've seen them at playlists, recording, and when I tell you guys, it is the most uncomfortable thing to watch. These people are not actually friends. They don't actually get along with each other. The camera turns on and everyone's like, oh, no, no, no. The camera turns off and they're all just like, whatever, bye. Talking shit behind each other's back. Like, these friendships on YouTube are so phony to me, and it's so ugly, and it's so like gross to me, because I don't know, like, what's the point of having a friendship if it's not genuine? Like, I get people are trying to grow and people are trying to use each other for fans and for clout and blah 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 blah, but like, I just don't see a point in it. But the other side of exploiting friendships that I would have to say is, if you become friends with somebody, okay, I'm trying to explain this without sounding bitter or without sounding mean, because I'm just not about that right now. But what I'm trying to get at is, say I was friends with blah blah blah, and we start having a problem. Does that mean I need to go and make a video about blah blah blah? No, because it has nothing to do with my channel, it has nothing to do with my audience. I don't need to go and put all that business out there. Like, if you're not friends with somebody anymore, or if there's an issue, talk to them face to face first before you try to go online and before you try to like talk and blah 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 blah, because honestly it's so annoying. Like, it's so like exhausting, because I've had so many friendships flop, and some people might think it's always my fault, but maybe it's just the people that I'm surrounding myself by. Maybe those people are just not genuine, and maybe I should have listened to other people's warnings before becoming friends with some of these people. Because when I tell you that Denzel is the king of telling me you shouldn't fuck with this person, you shouldn't fuck with this person, or you should fuck with this person, he is always right. And I did not listen to him like a couple of times, and I would still talk to some of these people, and I would still be friends with some of these people, and at the end of the day, I end up getting hurt. And so I'm just so sick of it. Like, I literally have been friends with so many people, and if something doesn't work out in our friendship, they go straight to YouTube and they make a video about it, bashing me, talking bad about me, trying to lie on my name, all this stuff. So 2017, can we leave exploiting friendships, ex-friendships, exploiting and pretending that we are friends with people for views? Like, can we just leave that all behind? Because it's not cool. It's pretty lame to me. So the next one that I would have to say that we need to leave in 2017 would have to be sharing too much of your relationship. Now, if you are a YouTuber and your channel revolves around your relationship, awesome, cool. But when you guys start having problems, whether it be cheating, or you're fighting about this, or this, you need to keep that to yourself. I have seen so many like couple channels going out there putting all their business out there. Like, I'm sorry, I did that in the past. I put some business out there that I shouldn't have, and I completely regret it. I learned from that mistake. Like, I know that I need to keep certain things personal, but I got so caught up in like sharing too much on YouTube, I guess you could say, because I love to be open with you guys, but I will not be sharing anything too deep like that again, just for my own protection, because sometimes, and by protection I mean like you don't need to share everything, because then everybody's gonna know all your business, and it's embarrassing. Like I understand some people want to like, they just want to talk to someone and they just want to put things out there, but when you're experiencing, oh, I'm like spitting everywhere, ew. But if you're experiencing trouble in paradise, your man's cheated on you, that does not mean go on YouTube and say, he cheated on me. How about you guys solve it between each other? Go to your mom, go to your best friend, go to your brother, go to your sister, bitch, talk to your dog. You don't need to go onto YouTube in front of thousands of people and tell everybody your business. Because now, I know like you got cheated on and you think everybody's gonna think you're the victim, but at the same time, you look just as stupid for telling everybody and putting it out there. And I have all the tea on half these YouTubers that are making these videos, and the reality is they knew that they were getting cheated on for months before they said anything. So, I'm gonna get into that because that's none of my business. But I just, stop putting too much of your freaking business on YouTube. Go ahead, share life experiences, share exciting stuff. Yeah, you could share when things aren't as good because you want to be real and you want to show people that it's not going to be okay 24/7. But some things need to stay behind closed doors. You see half these celebrities putting all their shit out there. Like, half the things you hear about are just rumors, allegedly, a source told. Like, half the time people don't even share their relationships, and that's because you need to find the fine line between private and work, because a lot of YouTubers, YouTube is work for them. So, now on to something that has actually injured me. We need to leave fidget spinners in 2017. You guys, when I tell you the amount of times that I have hung out with people and they have their freaking fidget spinners and it hits me in my arm, it flies and hits me on my ear, hits me on my head. I've had the situation where I've had a fidget spinner hit me in the back of my neck and it hurt really, really bad because my friend thought it would be funny to put it too close to me. Leave your fidget spinners in 2017, because if I see you have one, I'm gonna step on it, I'm going to break it, and then I'm gonna put it back in your hand broken. I used to have one when I was in LA. I actually like gave it. I was walking through the mall and I saw a fidget spinner kiosk and I was like, how much? And they're like $5 and I was like, deal! So I bought myself a fidget spinner. I got ripped off. I could have bought one on Hollywood Boulevard for $1, but whatever. I'm totally not mourning the loss of my $4. I kind of am. I'm sick of fidget spinners. And I'm going to just sum up this whole video with something I'm very passionate about. All I have to say is, if you're a YouTuber and you're gonna be making music, one thing is just posting covers for fun on YouTube. I'm so sorry, but like, can we stop YouTubers in 2017 or in 2018 from making bogus ass, lame ass music? Like, I'm so sorry. Like, I understand why they do it. Like, I'm not dumb. I know YouTubers are aware that they have a platform and people are gonna go to whatever they want to put out. So they're like, hey, even if I put out a shitty ass song, people are still gonna buy it, people are still gonna stream it, so regardless, I'm making money. But how about we stop making YouTubers have the stereotype about them? Like, if you ask, okay, if a YouTuber comes out with music, you automatically assume it's probably bad, right? Just because of what we've seen in the past. So how about we stop putting out all these lame ass tracks, these wannabe ass tracks. I'm sorry guys, but YouTubers make so much money. Like, some of these YouTubers getting $1 million a video, getting $3 million a video, all this extra shit, and they're still putting out shitty ass music. Like, bitch, you have so much money, but like, why are we putting out these shitty ass tracks with these terrible beats? Like, it sounds like you recorded in your bathtub. Every YouTuber wants to be a singer, every YouTuber wants to be a rapper, every YouTuber wants to be a DJ all of a sudden. Every YouTuber goes through the phase of wanting to be a singer or something along the lines of that. So if you're going to do it right. Stop acting broke. You know you have money to go in the studio. You know you have money to actually have somebody help you produce the beat. I know you have the money for somebody to give you singing lessons, rap lessons, flow lessons, bitch, I don't know what it's called, whatever. You have the money to do it, so stop acting cheap and put your money to it. Stop making us YouTubers look dumb, because every time you hear a YouTuber comes out with a song, it's always a bad stigma, like, oh, it's probably trash. So that is what I think needs to be left in 2017. Now, hopefully I didn't offend anybody. That is just honestly how I feel. Like, that is what I personally believe should be left in 2017. 2018 is a brand new year. It is full of positivity. It's full of happiness. We should do nothing but be nice to people. Just need to have 2018 be a brand new year for all of us. Let's be nice to people. Let's be positive. Let's leave everything that I said behind. Please let me know in the comments below. Come up with 3 things that you think should be left in 2017. I would love to hear about it. I would love to know the person that gets or has the most eccentric, most unique one. Bitch, I'll follow you. Let's become friends, because clearly if I think your answer was amazing, we think alike and I want to be your friend. So everybody go leave it below. Leave your Snapchats below. I'm not really doing anything today. I'm literally going and getting my hair done. So I'm gonna be in the chair for like 2 to 3 hours doing nothing. So if you guys want to add me on Snapchat and we could talk and we could just chat a bit, feel free to leave your snap below. Make sure you add me at Vanessa Gabriella. But that is all I have to say today. I hope you guys are enjoying these daily videos. I don't know how long this is gonna keep going. Like, how long am I gonna keep posting daily? We'll see. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next one. Maybe tomorrow, so see you then. Bye. Let me have you work.